Hi there, I'm Pablo. I decided to play a song called Rain that I recorded on my first CD in 1996. And it goes pretty much like this. Blah! Here I'm alone again and try to write about something baby about a life. You know some of these things don't get their way these days, and all are forevermore. Yeah. Being so deep in situation, can it be so real? And it always been the bread of my life. Wherever you see me, I bet you see them rain, yeah. Used to be so cold and AC, I always saw you for the reason, baby, that I could cry. But being so deep in situation, can it be so real? And it always been the bread of my life. And when you see me now, baby, better see the rain. And it always been the story of my life. Look at me now, baby, I bet you see the rain, yeah. Want to see me now, girl? I better see the rain. And it always be the story of my life. Ever you go, girl, I hope you see the rain, yeah. Bet you see the baby rain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just see the rain all night long.